So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix iPhone can't send messages to Android. So first of all, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here, scroll to the bottom. At the end, you will see this option called apps. Tap on it. Now here you will see all the apps installed on your iPhone. Here scroll down to M section. Now tap on Messages. Now here scroll down until you reach Text Messaging section. Now first enable this option which says Send as SMS. After this, enable this toggle next to MMS messaging. Now once you do this, you should be able to send messages to Android with your iPhone. So I hope this fixed the issue for you. And if you find this video useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.